Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. If you're watching right now, what makes today so special is that you are well enough to be watching YouTube videos and you're here on this planet with me. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my $3.50 nail routine that I do every single Sunday. What I do is I buy Kiss nails, and I also buy this nailing glue you've probably heard me talk about in other videos. This nailing glue, I used to have to look on Amazon or eBay to find it, but I've been lucky lately to find it grocery store, and that is currently Winn-Dixie. I've also noticed that on Walmart.com and Amazon they sell this if you want it. Before I found this nailing glue, I exclusively used the Kiss and Press nails, the ones with the adhesive on it, because they would not last the 5 days I needed them to last unless I did it that way. But ever since I found this nailing glue, I'm able to use pretty much any nails, but I stick to Kiss brand. You might be wondering, where do I get the $3.50 manicure or full set of nails thing? Well, the nailing glue is about $3.75, so I just round that up to $4. And then the Kiss nails that I buy are about $3. So 7 divided by 2 is $3.50 because there's enough for 2 manicures or 2 full sets in 1 pack of nails. So the first thing I do is I match up the fake nails to my real nails to see which ones will fit, and I lay them out as you see in the video. I then push my cuticles back on each of my fingers. I realize that from the angle that we are filming from, it's kind of hard to see exactly what I'm doing. I then spray rubbing alcohol on my fingernails to kind of dry them out, so hopefully the glue will stick a little bit better than maybe it would have before. I then rub an emery board on my fingernails to kind of give them some texture. Then I put a drop of the glue on the fake nail and then a drop of the glue on my real nail and then press. Try super hard not to get your fingers on this glue because your skin will be glued to itself, kind of like in the second American Pie movie. Any extra glue that did not bond with the nail, I usually wipe on an old shirt like the one I am wearing right now. If you decide to do this, do it really quick because you don't want your nail to stick to your clothes. And I obviously do this with all 10 fingernails. I start at my pinkies, I do each pinky, then I do each ring finger, then I do each middle finger, then I skip to my thumbs, and then my pointer fingers. And I'm sorry, y'all, I realize that the angle of this camera, it's like you can't really see what I'm doing, and I can't really do this over because my nails are done. So I hope you're okay with this and kind of get the idea of what I'm trying to show you. It's almost embarrassing at this point, but maybe I'll try again next Sunday. If anything, you can listen to the Christmas music I got from Epidemic Sound. I've been using it for months now, and I'm going to have to take a break only because for Christmas I need that extra $15 a month. But if you sign up, you get your first month free, and it has been a game changer with the music for my YouTube videos. Once finished, go ahead and file the tips. Sometimes there will be that little extra little thingamajig at the tip of the nails. Just file that down. I usually go along the shape of whatever the nails are. So I like to moisturize my hands in this dry time of having to wash them extra. Anyway, y'all, that is it. That's how I do my nails each week. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me on Vlogmas Day 6. If you would, leave me a comment below of your favorite Christmas song. Thank you again, and I will see you guys tomorrow.